Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Eastern Economic Corridor here in Thailand, as well as so-called long-term residence visas. Now, as we've discussed many times on this channel, don't mean to be a broken record, but it bears repeating because people do misunderstand. This LTR visa scheme, it's not residence. It's not permanent residence in Thailand. It is something of a longer visa, but as we've discussed, it has a number of sort of strings associated with it. Most notably, there's kind of this ongoing tax audit that's associated with it. It also may or may not provide work authorization depending on circumstances. I've kind of gotten into this before where I don't quite understand how this visa can be invented out of whole cloth. So I have questions about its sort of long-term viability, but leaving that aside, the big thing to take away is, again, not a residence visa, may be useful under differing circumstances for different people, but we're talking about this in the context of the Eastern Economic Corridor. I thought about making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Long-Term Residence LTR Visa Looks to Business Rather Than Retirement Recruits. Quoting directly, growing confidence in Thailand's Eastern Economic Corridor will attract growing numbers of foreigners keen to play a part in its widening scope. Mr. Chula Sukmanop, Secretary General of the EEC office, said the staff of foreign entities could apply for the 10-year LTR visa with automatic work permits as part of a one-stop shop package. The visa also is open to retirees and global citizens, but the advantages are less clear-cut to them. Again, yeah, less clear-cut. Now, with regard to the EEC, as we've discussed frequently on this channel, the EEC is a fairly new thing, so applying for a lot of the benefits associated with it, I think the process is going to be more opaque than it would be down the line when this stuff is more set in stone. That being said, there are a number of opportunities in the Eastern Economic Corridor, and it may behoove folks who are looking to do business in Thailand to seriously consider that because it goes beyond business visas and work authorization. There may be tax holidays, there may be certain remittances that may be allowable under the scope of the EEC that may not be allowed when doing business in Thailand otherwise. For this reason, it may be a good idea for those looking to invest in Thailand to seriously have a look at the Eastern Economic Corridor.